Welcome to. Today we're unlocking the secret powers of apple cider vinegar. Get ready to discover 50 incredible hacks for your health, beauty, and home that will blow your mind. Starting with health hacks, here are 10 ways apple cider vinegar can transform your well-being. Feeling bloated? A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in warm water before meals can aid digestion and ease that uncomfortable bloat. Studies show that a daily dose of ACV can help with weight loss by increasing satiety and boosting metabolism. Mix ACV with warm water and honey for a soothing sore throat remedy. Consuming ACV can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. Kickstart your day with a detox drink made of ACV, lemon juice, and a dash of cayenne pepper. ACV contains beneficial bacteria and acetic acid that can enhance your immune system. A teaspoon of ACV in water can alleviate heartburn and improve digestion. Drink a mixture of ACV and water to relieve nighttime muscle cramps. Use diluted ACV as a toner to help clear acne and balance your skin's pH levels. ACV baths can soothe irritated skin and improve overall skin health. Now let's dive into beauty hacks that will leave you glowing. Rinse your hair with a mixture of ACV and water to remove buildup and add shine. Massage diluted ACV into your scalp to reduce dandruff and itchiness. Apply an ACV and water solution to your face to brighten your complexion. Dab ACV on age spots to help lighten them over time. Soak your nails in ACV and water to strengthen and whiten them. Use an ACV compress to soothe sunburn and reduce redness. Create a natural deodorant by mixing ACV with essential oils. Brush with ACV, sparingly, to help whiten your teeth naturally. Apply diluted ACV to razor bumps for relief. Add ACV to your bath for smoother, softer skin. Last but not least, let's explore how ACV can revolutionize your home. Mix ACV with water for a powerful, all-natural cleaner. Neutralize odors by placing bowls of ACV around your home. Use ACV to remove stains from carpets and upholstery. Run ACV through your coffee maker to clean and descale it. Shine stainless steel appliances with an ACV wipe. Get streak-free windows with an ACV and water solution. Add ACV to your laundry rinse cycle to freshen clothes. Spray ACV on weeds in your garden as a natural herbicide. Clean fruits and vegetables with an ACV wash to remove pesticides. Use ACV and baking soda to unclog and deodorize drains. Run ACV through your dishwasher to clean and deodorize it. Keep ants and pests away with an ACV spray. Extend the shelf life of perishable foods by soaking them in ACV solution. Use ACV as a natural fabric softener in your laundry. Spray ACV inside shoes to eliminate odors. Steam ACV in your microwave to clean and deodorize it. Soak rusty tools in ACV to remove rust. Spray ACV on pet bedding to eliminate odors. Add ACV to your wash to brighten white clothes. Use ACV to clean and condition leather items. Dissolve sticky residue with an ACV soak. Clean and deodorize your fridge with ACV. Shine silverware with an ACV and baking soda paste. Disinfect cutting boards with an ACV wipe. Use ACV to adjust soil pH and promote healthy plants. Eliminate smoke odors with bowls of ACV around the house. Remove grime from your grill with an ACV spray. Blend ACV and water to clean your blender. Deodorize trash cans with an ACV spray. Use ACV in marinades to tenderize and flavor meats. And there you have it, 50 incredible apple cider vinegar hacks that can transform your health, beauty routine, and home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which hack you'll try first. See you next time on